They say that a Sunday ride is for relaxing, a gentle cruise to clear your head, but when the heavens open up and you are flanked with two identical beasts, relaxation is the last thing on your mind. This is a test of a machine, a test of nerve. 3 Honda CBR650Rs, 1 rainy Sunday ride, and a whole lot of corners. Today we are pushing these bikes to their absolute limits to see what they are truly made of when the asphalt gets slick and the stakes get high. In the dry, this bike is a corner carving machine. The chassis is nimble and the Showa separate function forks give you incredible feedback. But in the wet, it's a different ball game. Every input has to be smoother, more precise. You are constantly fighting for traction. Cornering in the rain is a dance on the edge of disaster. The key is to be smooth. Abrupt movements on the throttle or brakes can send you sliding. Our riders are using CBR's linear power delivery to their advantage, feeding in the power gently as they exit the turn. You can feel the rear start to squirm a little as you power out the corner. The traction control of the CBR is a lifesaver in these conditions, but you can't rely on it completely. It's a constant conversation between you, the bike, and the road. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। और देखो कैसे हेलमेट लगते ही बड़ बोलना चालू हो चुका है भाई साहब का। देखो हेडसेट में फिर गिरा चुका हूँ मैं। एनीवेज, टेल मी हाउ इज सपना लुकिंग आफ्टर ऑल दीज मॉडिफिकेशंस फ्रॉम द स्टिकर्स। मैं एक बार पास से दिखाता, पर अभी शुभांकर भाई और राणा जी हमारा वेट कर रहे हैं। दोनों के पास CBR है, तो आज 3 CBR इकट्ठे आपको दिखने वाली हैं इसी व्लॉग में। तीनों लाल हैं, लाल परी होने वाला। आज तो फटाफट गाने लगाते हैं और पहले मूव करते हैं। कोल्ड स्टार्ट हो चुका है बाइक का। देखो स्टिकर से एक बार चेक कराता हूँ मैं। यहाँ से ये है कुछ, जल्दी यहाँ से लग रहे हैं। टेल मी हाउ इज शी लुकिंग। गाने लगाओ और चलो फटाफट होने। चलो आ गया मैं। एक आगे बुलेट वाला है, उसके पीछे भी बस में। A quick shift in body weight and precise counter steer is all it takes to hold the line. The bike feels planted even when pushes this hard. This was intense, my heart was still pounding. What a machine it is. The way the CBR650R handles, it's just phenomenal. It inspires so much confidence even when you are pushing it to the limits. तो पकड़े गए। क्या हाल है? एक मिनट। आहा, हाँ भैया, मुझे पता आपके पास रेसिंग बाइक है। हाँ, मेरे पास भी है। ठीक है, कौन सी? मेरे पास भी है। आप पे कौन सी है? पहले मेरे पास सुनो। अच्छा, मैं साइड से आ रहा हूँ। एक मिनट में आवाज़ बंद कर लूँ, गाने चल रहे हैं। हाँ जी, देखने में आप सीनियर लग रहे हो, ठीक है, मैच्योर आदमी लग रहे हो, तो आप मैच्योर के तरीके से, रेस्पॉन्सिबल तरीके से चलाओगे, नहीं चलाओगे? बिल्कुल सही बात है। आप साइड से निकल रहे हो, बाइक में हल्का लग रहा था तो आप मुझे भी उसमें ना। हाँ, सही बात है आपकी। मैं ध्यान रखूँगा भाई, विल टेक केयर भाई। नहीं, बिल्कुल सही बात है यार। ये भी कौन सा PTM करनी है? अरे शिवांकर भाई, क्या हाल है? देखो भाई गाइस, यही बदमाश है वो। 0 to 100 टॉप स्पीड फास्टेस्ट, यही। एक बार एग्जॉस्ट सुना दो यार, फिर मेरी जान खा रखी है भाई पब्लिक ने। तुम ऐसे क्यों चलाते हो भाई? अब भाई अच्छी लग रही है। देखो स्टिकर्स वगैरह लगाए हैं स्पीकर। इसको ये सीधे पढ़ाना था। कह रहा दिस स्टिकर्स एड्स 10 HP। ये पढ़ो ना। माय राइडिंग स्किल भी तुम्हारे है भाई यार। ये लगवा तो रखे हैं उनके लिए भाई। एग्जॉस्ट सुना दो, पब्लिक ने जान खा रखी है एग्जॉस्ट के पीछे। मज़ा तो है, देखो कुछ भी कहो, वाइब तो है। हैं? चेंज कर लो यार, बदल लो। आप ले जाओ इस हफ्ते, क्या हो गया? ये भी इस पे कराया, ये रैप कराया है, एक ये कराया, पर ये ख़राब होता है बार बार, ये हर महीने कराना पड़ेगा। हाँ, पर जैसे अभी ऐसे हो गया ना, अब दोबारा गलवाओगे फिर एकदम सपाट हो जाएगा ये। पर लुक, इससे लुक काफ़ी अच्छी आती है ना, साइड की और ये मिला के एकदम ताबड़तोड़। भाई क्या लग रही हैं खड़ी हुई तीन साथ में ना, तीन लाल मस्त लगती है एकदम से, अलग सी लुक आती है। मेरी तो फर्स्ट राइड है ये। ओ क्या कह रहे हो? चलें? आ गया? अरे आ गया भाई, चलो 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 चलो, ये बढ़िया, आरआर भी आ गई। अच्छा, लीड कौन करेगा? आप? ये करेंगे लीड। हाँ, आप ही करना। सीधा तो है गढ़मुक्तेश्वर। नहीं, फिर भी एक स्पीड लिमिट क्या है? व्हीली ये मारता भाई, इसको आती है व्हीली व्हीली तो। चलो ऊपर लेना ना, ऊपर 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 लेना ना। Welcome to the ultimate rainy Sunday showdown. Forget the word, because right now it's just me and the glorious inline-four symphony of the CBR650R. We are diving headfirst into our favorite set of twisties, a ribbon of tarmac that on any other day is a familiar playground, but today it's a treacherous battlefield. Every corner presents a new question, every straight a new challenge. This isn't just about speed, it's a high-stakes conversation with the road, as I told you. The CBR is speaking my language. The raw stats of the bike, 95 horsepower and a blistering 0 to 60 time, are impressive on paper, but out here in the slick reality of the wet, this is where the only one part of much bigger, more brilliance of Honda CBR650R truly comes alive. Its linear power delivery is godsend, allowing you to feed in the power with surgical precision as you exit the turn, feeling the rear for the slightest hint of a slip. You can feel the traction control working subtly on the background, a silent guardian angel. But you can't be complacent, it's a constant visceral connection, you, the bike and the slick unforgiving road. And then there's that explosive heart-pounding rush of pure speed even with the tarmac soaked. The bike pulls like an absolute freight train. As the revs climb and the worries fade, the world outside blurs into a beautiful chaos of color and motion. This is the freedom we chase on two wheels. As my friend pulls alongside, trying to steal the line into the next long sweeper, the CBR's agility becomes my greatest weapon. Now riding the Honda CBR650 as a full-body sensory immersion, a raw conversation with the road where the world simply melts away. With every twist of the throttle, a shot of pure adrenaline sharpens the focus until all that remains in the next corner, the perfect line. This is not just speed, it's a state of being where the screaming song of the inline-four engine becomes the soundtrack of your escape as the world blurs into a watercolor of motion. The feeling of control is crystal clear, a testament to the engineering brilliance that makes the bike feel less like a machine and more like an extension of your own will. In this dance at the edge of performance, worries fade and the profound sense of freedom takes over, proving that this is precisely the experience the CBR650R was built to deliver. In the next video, we'll be completing this second part of this video. A drag race is a spectacle of violent precision that what we'll be doing. It's an assault on the senses that begins long before the green light flashes. The air hangs thick in the heavy with the scent of burnt rubber and high-octane race fuel as two machines of immense power inch into the pre-stage beams. The CBR is popular for being fast and fun. When you ride the CBR, the world seems to rush by as you speed down the road. The sound of its engine is a loud and exciting roar that many riders love. It's built to be quick and handle corners well. This gives the rider, me, a feeling of freedom and control. For many people, riding a CBR is more than just travel. It's a thrilling hobby and a way to enjoy the open. Being a safe rider is also a key part of experience, as the person in the starting mentioned, because the CBR can go very fast. Anyone who rides one must wear a helmet and protect their head. Many riders also use their safety gear like strong jackets, gloves and boots. This allows them to enjoy the power and excitement of the motorcycle with more confidence, knowing they are well protected while having fun. So do remember to wear your gears. So as you all know, CBR has a sporty look with smooth plastic covers called fairings. These fairings are not just for style, they help the bike cut through the wind, making the ride smoother and faster. The CBR motorcycles also come in many bright colors like red, and also you have the matte black color, which makes them stand out on the road. This cool design is a big reason why so many people, including me, are proud to own one.
Feel the heat, let it rise.
So in the end, it's not about the roar of the engine or the blur of bird rushing by. It's not about the thousandths of a second at the line or even the perfect apex in a corner. It's about the moment the machine and the rider become one thought, one will. It's the quiet conversation in the heart of the noise, the calm found inside the storm of speed. Whether it's the sleek engineering of a CBR or the raw power on a drag strip, the goal is the same, to chase feeling. And when the ride is over and the engine falls silent, that feeling remains. This is called freedom. This is why we ride. मैं गाइस के आगे चलना है, इसको मैंने बनाया था अपना प्रॉप की, ये वो बनेगा, ये खुद नहीं शूटिंग कर रहा।